1989 for the development of the forest. Following programs have been launched. First is establishment of Central Forest Commission. In 1965, second government established the Central Forest Commission. Its functions are to collect information and data, to broadcast technical information, market study, and to coordinate the institutions engaged in forest development programs. Indian Forest Survey Organization. This organization was established in 1971 to find about the availability of goods produced in forest. Next, establishment of forest research and education. It was established at Dehradun Forestry Research Institute of centers under the council are responsible for undertaking research in their respective ecoclimatic zone. Its four regional centers are at Bangalore, Coimbatore, Jabalpur and Burni-Ghat. Establishment of Woodcraft Training Center. In 1965, a Woodcraft Training Center was established in Dehradun to train the forest officers and employees of State Forest Department. State Forest Development Corporation. Cutting of forest in states was done by contractors. To prevent this practice, these corporations were established in 19 states. Next, India Institute of Forest Management. This institute is established in Ahmedabad in 1978 in collaboration with a Swadesh company. Central government has also established Indian Institute of Forest Management in Bhopal for training, research and consultancy. PG of doctors degrees are awarded here on the basis research and case studies. Forest Conservation Act. In 1980, central government passed Forest Conservation Act, according to which forest land cannot be converted into agricultural land without the permission of the government. Government has classified forest into four categories: protected forest, national forest, village forest, tree groups. From the management point of view, forests are categorized into three groups: reserved forest 52%, protected forest 32%, unclassified forest 16%. Next is Van Mahotsav. In 1950, K.M. Munshi, the then agricultural minister, had started Van Mahotsav, Plant More Trees movement, to increase the forest area and to motivate people for plantation. Van Mahotsav is celebrated from 1st to 7th July every year in our country. Now, social forestry. This program of plantation is started in association with World Bank. It aims to plant useful trees in waste lands, roadside and canal embankments near villages. Next, one tree for every child. This slogan is developed in schools and colleges. People's participation is increased by publishing Van Mahotsav and by farm forestry, by planting trees on road side, railway side and canal embankments. Cutting of green trees is prevented by the effective implementation of forest acts. Cutting trees and animal grazing is prevented in Himalayan region. Joint forest management. This program is being practiced in 21 states of the country. About 70 lakh hectares of degraded forest in the country are being managed and protected through some 35,000 village forest protection committees. So, students, so many steps are took for the conservation of forest. Forest fire control project. Fire is one of the major factor responsible for destruction of forest in the country. Several appropriate measures have been undertaken to reduce the incidence of fire in forest. The UNDP assisted modern forest fire control projects in Chandrapur, Maharashtra and Haldwani and Nainital, Uttar Pradesh is in operation in 10 states of the country. So dear students, बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं, बहुत सारे ऐसे स्टेप्स हैं जो कि उठाए गए ताकि वनों का हम संरक्षण कर सकें. Establishment of Central Forest Commission, Indian Forest Survey Organization, established forestry research and education, establishment of wood crafting training center, State Forest Development Corporation, Indian Institute of Forest Management, Forest Conservation Act, Van Mahotsav, Social Forestry, One Tree for Every Child, Joint Forest Management, Forest Fire Control Project. तो आग से वनों की रक्षा हो सके और वनों का रिसर्च हो सके, वनों को इकट्ठा किया जा सके, उनका संगठन हो सके, वन महोत्सव, हर बच्चे के लिए एक पेड़, और इस तरह से बहुत सारे ऐसे स्टेप्स हैं जो कि जो वन है, जो फॉरेस्ट है, उनकी सुरक्षा के लिए, उनकी कंजर्वेशन के लिए उठाए गए हैं. इसमें बहुत सारे ऐसे रीजन हैं, फैक्टर्स फॉर रिस्पॉन्सिबल वाइल्ड लाइफ डिटेक्शन. वाइल्ड लाइफ जो होती है, जो वनों में रहने वाले वन्य जीव हैं, उनको क्या है, संरक्षण प्रदान करने के लिए बहुत जरूरी है, उनकी प्रजाति को लुप्त होने से बचाने के लिए बहुत जरूरी है कि उनको संरक्षण प्रदान किया जाए. बहुत सारे ऐसे कारण हैं जो कि बहुत सारे ऐसे फैक्टर्स हैं जो कि रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते हैं वाइल्ड लाइफ के डिस्ट्रक्शन में, क्योंकि जैसे ही आपके फॉरेस्ट डिस्ट्रॉय होंगे तो आपकी वाइल्ड लाइफ भी डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएगी. तो वी विल स्टडी अबाउट दिस इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.